Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 22 divided by 11 is equal to 2. Then again 22 divided by 11 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one division, here is division, and also here is division. So first priority. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 22 divided by 11 is equal to 2. Divide 22 divide 11. Now 2 divided by 22 can be written as 2 upon 22. Divide 11. Okay. So now 2 divided 2 is equal to 1. 22 divided 2 is equal to 11. So is equal to 1 upon 11 divide 11. So now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 1 upon 11 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this fraction. 11 is equal to 1 upon 11. Okay. So is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 11 multiply 11 is equal to 121. So the correct answer is 1 upon 121. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.